In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall TeamViewer from Windows. We'll move through the process using the Windows search bar, open the built-in uninstaller, and finish in Control Panel so everything comes off cleanly. I'll describe exactly what you'll see and share a few quick tips to avoid common snags. Start by clicking the search bar at the bottom left corner of your screen. On many PCs, this sits next to the Start button. If you prefer the keyboard, tapping the Windows key brings the cursor to search as well. Make sure any open TeamViewer session is closed before you proceed, because uninstalling works best when the app isn't running in the background. Now type TeamViewer into the search field. As you type, Windows will show the TeamViewer app in the results. Look to the right side of the search panel or beneath the app name for an uninstall option. Go ahead and click uninstall there. If Windows asks for permission through a security prompt, choose yes. This action doesn't remove the program immediately. It simply launches the place where removal happens. You'll be redirected to the classic control panel window called Programs and Features. This is the list of installed desktop programs. If your PC looks a bit different, don't worry. Some versions of Windows may show a similar list from apps, but the next steps are the same. The key is that you're looking at a scrollable list of programs with options to uninstall them. Find TeamViewer in this list and click it once to highlight it. Sorting by name can help you spot it faster. With TeamViewer selected, choose Uninstall near the top of the window, or right-click and pick Uninstall if that's what you see. The TeamViewer uninstaller will open and guide you through the removal. Follow the prompts on screen. If you're asked to close running processes, allow it to do so. Some versions may offer to remove configuration files or settings. If you don't plan to reinstall, selecting that option can help ensure a more complete cleanup. Confirm your choices and continue until the uninstaller reports that it's finished. During this process, you might see another permission prompt. Approve it to continue. When the uninstall completes, TeamViewer should disappear from the list in Control Panel. That's your confirmation that Windows has removed it. If you're asked to restart the computer, go ahead and let Windows do that so any remaining components are fully cleared. And that's it. You use the search bar to locate TeamViewer, chose uninstall, let Windows redirect you to Control Panel, and then selected TeamViewer there to remove it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you tidy up your PC.